Hi everyone, welcome back to another Placeit tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube logo. This is a profile photo for your YouTube channel, and it's going to be something like this. Or if that doesn't quite fit your channel, then you've got all of these different options as well. Take a note at how many pages there are here, over 260 different pages of these logos for you to choose from. Now beyond that, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do this completely for free. And then at the end of this video, I'll even throw in how to create a banner for your YouTube channel, intros, outros, end screens, thumbnails, everything you need for your entire YouTube channel. So this is going to be a value-packed video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First things first is we need to start in the website homepage. So this website is called placeit.net. It's the website that I prefer to use for creating all of my graphic design templates, because not only do they do YouTube templates, but they have templates for every other niche that you can imagine. So with that being said, I want to be very straightforward with you guys. Placeit is typically a paid tool to use. However, in this video, I'm going to show you the free mode that they offer, so you can do this entirely for free if you want to. Now lastly, before we get into this, I'm going to put my affiliate link to Placeit down in the description. So if you do watch this video and the free templates aren't enough for you and you want to get access to all 67,000 of these templates, the link that I put in the description will give you 15% off of any of their plans. But if you need that discount, it's going to be down in the description. So once you go over to placeit.net, what you're going to want to do is hover over logos and then go all the way over to YouTubers. This is where you'll click. And this will bring you to all of their YouTube templates. Now I've been using Placeit for a long time, and I know when you type in your channel name up top, it tries to render all of these templates to show what they would look like with your channel name in them. I found that it takes a long time to load all of these templates with your channel name in it. So I recommend that you don't type in your channel name and instead just scroll through here and find one that fits for you. Now I want this video to be very transparent. I don't want it to be a bait and switch. I told you I'd show you how to make a completely free logo on Placeit. And it's not going to be one of these here. These are their premium templates, those 67,000 that we were talking about. And if you do want to use one of these, then you absolutely can. But let's get into how to make one completely for free. So to make a completely free logo for your YouTube channel here on Placeit, just hover over logos and then go to freebies. And although these first few don't really look that interesting, you can scroll through all of these, and as long as they have the free badge on the corner, it's going to be 100% free for you to use. So as you can see, there's only 4 pages of these, but I'll scroll through some of these so you can get an idea of what they offer. And then I'll show you the other way to find a lot more options that are completely free. So if one of these works for you, just stick around on this page for a second. I'll come back to how to edit it. But if you want some more free options, hover over designs up here, go to freebies. This is going to give you all different designs that are free, but it's in all different categories. So we're going to want to come to this left side, scroll down, and we want to go to t-shirt designs. So when you find t-shirt designs, you're going to have 587 or 500 plus different templates that you can choose from. Now, although these are made for t-shirt designing, you will find that a lot of these work as a logo for YouTube. So as you scroll through here, some of these are actually pretty awesome and they are completely free to use. And when you scroll down here, you can see you have a lot more pages than just the standard 4 that we saw on the free logos. So with that being said, that is the best way to find templates that you can edit that are completely free here on Placeit. Now I want to get back into how I created this template. This is one of their premium templates, but I want to show you how these editing tools work so that you can customize a free or a premium template for yourself. So I'm going to start from this page. This is over logos, and then we go to YouTubers. This is going to be the premium templates. I think these are the best ones, and Placeit has a ton to choose from. So looking at how I created that logo I was just showing you, I started with this template right here. You just click on it and it'll bring you right into their editor. And the left side over here is going to be your text side. As you can see, the text boxes relate to something that is on your template. So if you want that to disappear, you don't want it anymore, just click the eye icon and it will hide it. And it'll update your template in real time. This is something that's really cool about Placeit, is it kind of reworks your template and does all of the heavy lifting and the cool graphic design for you. So if we do want to turn that back on, again, it'll just rework the template. If you want to change what it says, just highlight what's in here and you can change all of this text. If you'd like to change the font, just click the drop down. You can choose from all of these fonts, and from experience from using Placeit for a while, if you don't see a font that you're looking for, or if you have something very specific, just click the More Fonts button right up here, and it'll bring you to a ton of different fonts that you can use, and you can even type in what you're looking for and then select it there. And lastly, with the text, if you want to change the color of it, you can change that right here. Again, you can hit more if you have a specific hex code color that you want to use for your branding, or if you just want to select something specific. So that should take care of the text on the left side over here. And I think in the Panda example, I switched this to YouTube channel, and we'll just give that a second to update, and then it'll show it down here. And now moving over to the right side of the editor, this is where Placeit really starts to shine. All of these graphics that they allow you to use are fully commercially usable. So anything that you download from Placeit, whether it's a free template or a premium template, is going to come with full commercial usage rights. The reason that this is so important for creating a YouTube logo is that once your channel gets monetized, or once you start making money from YouTube, you need to make sure that all of your graphic assets, or your logo, your banner photo, your intros, your outros, you have commercial usage rights for them, meaning that you can profit from the use of them. Some of these other graphic design tools out there do not come with commercial usage rights, or they make you pay extra for them. So just be sure when you are creating a YouTube logo that you're using something like Placeit or another design tool that comes with full commercial usage rights. But coming back to this right side over here, you can start to change colors and things, the background color, the main color of your graphic, the accent color of your graphic, and then most importantly, all of the different graphics that are commercially usable for you. Now this scroll area is a little bit small, so I like to click expand, and now you can really see what you're looking at. This is going to be your main graphic here. So by default, when we started editing this template, it started us off in kind of the gaming category. So that's kind of what you're going to see by default in this search section. But you can type in anything that you are looking for. So if we go for a more broad gaming category, then all of these graphics are going to be more relevant to the overall gaming topic. Now, if there's something specific you were looking for, like a specific sport or beauty, you could type that in up here, and it'll give you different options. Now, scrolling through here, this is the Panda that I was using in the example I showed you earlier. All you have to do is click it, and it'll load for a second here, and it'll work it into your design for you. So a lot of the heavy lifting is done. It kind of formats it and puts it behind your text, making everything look good. And then you can change your main color and your accent color on this graphic. So I'm just going to click the drop down and change it from red over to black. And just like that, we have a pretty awesome logo. Now that you're done with this section over here, I'm just going to hit collapse, and it brings up the other section behind. This is going to be kind of that background effect that you see back here. So these are just some cool graphics you can select and choose from just to give more depth to your logo. So feel free to type in anything that you are looking for back here, but typically the options that they show you right off the bat are the ones that are going to look best on this logo template. So once you're happy with your logo and you like the template, just go ahead and click download. And then just give this a couple seconds, and then it'll be ready and say click here to download, and you can download it directly to your computer. So once that changes to click here to download, all you do is click that. It'll go directly to your computer. And just like that, you have a logo ready for YouTube. Now, as you can see, when you scroll in here, the quality of this is super high, and it's in PNG format, which is perfect for uploading your YouTube logo. So yes, this was a premium template that I was editing in this example, but just remember, once you are here, you can go to the freebies sections and you can search for your different types of templates, and you can do all the same process as we just went through here. Now, something to be aware of is this is a new feature on Placeit. I don't know if it's going to stick around, but as you can see, when I click download, it showed up 2 times. One of these has a transparent background, and the other one has the background color that we chose. This is actually going to be pretty useful for us. I'll talk about this in a couple seconds coming up, and I'll show you what I mean. Now, as promised in the beginning of this video, I do want to show you how to create all of your other assets that you need for YouTube. This is your banner photo, the end cards, intros, outros, thumbnails, so I'll show you how to do that really quickly here. From any page on Placeit, if you hover over designs and go to YouTube templates, it's going to bring you into the general YouTube section here on Placeit. Now, if you scroll down, you're going to see that there are a ton of pages, over 77 pages of different templates for YouTube. Now, depending on what you're looking for, you can sort that up top here. So if you want a banner photo for your YouTube channel that matches the same theme as your YouTube logo that you just created, you can go to banners and you can sort it here. Find something similar, start changing the colors, changing the graphic, and all of this will be pre-formatted for YouTube. Now, a little trick that you can use, the best way to find all of the free templates, if that's what you're looking for, is sort up top what you're looking for, and then come over to the left side, switch it to free, and it'll show you only the free templates. Real quickly, I want to show you, if we do go into edit one of these templates, I want to show you a cool little trick. So the main goal of creating a banner photo for your YouTube channel is to make sure that the colors and the overall look of it are the same as your YouTube logo. This makes it kind of congruent for people who are coming to your channel, so it looks like your branding is on point. So with that being said, instead of trying to recreate the logo that we just created over here, there's a better way that we can do this. So as you can see, the logo that we have here is coming from the side over here. So let's expand that, and instead of trying to find that panda again and recreate it by hand, we can upload our own image. So what that means is if we click upload image and we select the logo that we just created, we're going to run into an issue. I'll show you that here. So when we upload this image and it has the gray background, it's going to allow us to crop it. But once you hit crop, it's going to upload this image and it's not going to look right on this color background. As you can see, that's not the look you want. So what we want to do is go back to upload image and select the one that had the transparent background. Now when we upload this, you can see the checkerboard, meaning that it's a transparent background. And when we upload it, it's going to look a lot better on this background. Now if we change this background from red over to gray, we can start to give our banner photo the same feel as our YouTube logo. So the last thing for this tutorial is, what if the template you were using did not come with a transparent background by default? Well, let's go right back over to our logo template and I'll show you how to manually create it. So all we have to do is one extra step here, click the drop down on background, switch it to the checkerboard, allow that to load for a second, and then we just click download again, and it'll download it with a transparent background. And remember, if you do need to re-edit any of your logos, you want to pull that draft back up, just click view all in your downloads, and it will allow you to go back to where you left off on any of the templates that you've downloaded in the past. So guys, I know that was a lot in one video, but hopefully that has been helpful. Remember, if you do want to use one of the premium templates and get access to all of the other features that are on Placeit, the 15% off link is down in the description, so hopefully that's helpful and brings the price down a bit. But all in all, I hope you enjoyed this video and it helped you out, and I will see you all in the next Placeit tutorial.